So, I finally decided to put a filter on my mic because my friend pushed me to. And of course, it sounds much better, and now I feel like a complete moron for not using it sooner. Anyways, I wanted to draw some legs because I'm really not that confident in the art of legs. But I ain't gonna study. Oh, no. I'm gonna make a character that revolves around legs. Um, Actually, I already have a character that revolves around legs. This is Nikan, and he's from my one and only webtoon one shot from a year ago. Year and a half to be exact. I think the contest was called something like Call to Action. Don't know, didn't win, don't care. And this character is supposed to have a really muscly legs. But the rest of his body is kinda thin. I didn't really portray it well in the one shot, so let's portray it well now, shall we? I of course took some reference material from googling muscly legs. Trust me, this is probably the least weird thing I was googling recently. I traced the legs with red like I always do to better understand the shapes, and off we go straight to the character. I've never really drawn such an uneven anatomy before, at least not on people, so I sketched the legs a bit more than I usually would. And straight to the line art we go! There ain't much talking about the design process here, cause it's already done. I'm just gonna mention that he's loosely based on Sakura from Naruto. Yes, I needed a reference for my own character because I have not drawn him in a while. I didn't really plan to draw any clothes except the underwear on him because study, yes, it was for the study purposes. That's the thing, yes. Yeah. His hands are natural. His hands are natural. This word. His hands are naturally black. His hands are naturally. His hands are normally black like that, because that's kinda his power thingy. Yeah. I made him some little six pack so his anatomy is not that unbalanced. I still want to make him look existable. And adding black, my favorite part. I cel shaded him this time too to make the muscles pop a little bit more. And this is how I study. And you can study this way too. Just take what you need to learn and draw something fun with it. It doesn't have to be boring, anyways. Well, that's it for today's Friday. See ya.